2016 Porsche Macan S. Came through the best exhaust shop in the country, G Exhaust, to get a Muffy D muffler delete. What we did was, go ahead, Berto, go ahead, you're good. He had two mufflers right here. We took them out, replaced them with some pipe. We hit them with these 3-inch dual carbon fiber tips. It's gonna sound a lot more aggressive. What else do we have done to the car? What else do you have done to the car?
I got a intake and a stage 2 tune.
All right, so we're definitely gonna hear some pops and bangs.
Yeah, yeah.
Pops and bangs coming soon. All right, let's bring it down, fire it up. Make sure you like and subscribe.